Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube family and my lovely friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos. I am very happy and very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy, shimmery, beautiful nail art ideas. So friends, don't skip the video, watch my this video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning and so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful ideas. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of shimmer nail art ideas. I really hope that they will love this collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these designs on your nails for more beautiful and gorgeous look. These nail paints are so beautiful. So friends, thank you so much for watching my this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your nail art. So friends, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploaded videos. Be connected with me, friends. Remember me in your precious prayers. See you soon. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.